Hello and welcome to the channel that will allow you to become a professional computer troubleshooting technician. On this channel, there will be many videos. We will see many breakdowns that are analyzed and repaired daily in my computer repair shop. This channel will allow you to become a real computer troubleshooting technician. Videos will be added regularly describing the breakdowns and problems my customers are experiencing, as well as the detailed analysis and repair of the breakdowns encountered. If you are interested in this channel and want to become a computer repair professional, feel free to subscribe and leave a comment on the videos I will post in the future. This will allow the channel to progress and offer more content that will allow you to become a computer troubleshooting technician. I hope that these videos will be useful to you and will allow you to progress in the profession of computer troubleshooter.